just have a look and see what it's all about. My first time here, I came across it through our Facebook page, part of our iwi. What interested me is that you have these major companies that are offering, how would I put it, careers, and in the sense where it's involving the people, and that worked out some plan anyhow to enable the people to move forward and to realise that Tainui is much bigger than what I initially thought it was. You know?
I come here to check out the jobs and opportunities that are available here.
I was having a look at the Maersk container, because my wife and I, Rose Konakawi, we done containers in Melbourne. So we know all about containers, and the Maersk and Big Chill. That's sort of down our lines for driving and, you know.
Oh, just looking at a bit of mahi that they've got, Tainui's got to share with the rest of the tribe.
So we've actually got a lot of employment opportunities. We're taking advantage and leveraging off the inland port. So from Ruakura, we've actually got some of our tenants. So we've got Big Chill, Maersk and Kmart out here, but also our hotels. So Aukaha are here today as well.
I think you've been slaving too long. Started when you were still young.
So our hotels obviously are around that tourism industry, but a bit further than that, there's lots of so the Pullman Hotel in Auckland is set to open up later on this year, and they are going to be recruiting for administration, reception, food and beverage, restaurant type roles, hospitality, and they're actually offering some apprenticeships in that space as well. In regards to Big Chill, Maersk and Kmart, a lot of those roles are around logistics and distribution. Kmart are opening their distribution centre, so they're relocating from Auckland.
I looked at Kmart. Kmart is how I initially used to think as well. It's just, just buy your clothing and whatever you need there. But there's a lot more behind the scenes. One can literally move up a scale. And to be honest, there's a financial incentive. So naturally, if someone's given an incentive and they see the higher goal, they're going to progress higher and maybe to a standard that changes their lifestyle.
Yeah, so many opportunities here. And I noticed that there are a few to do with Māoritanga and being around our people and helping everyone that, to do with like elections and agriculture as well in the hotel industry, which I'm looking forward to hopefully getting a job in.
Well, my interest, I've done a lot of trucking in my life, so I've trucked over in Australia, did the outback trucking and all that, so so I thought, well, I've been home for about 5 years now. I think it's great. It's a great thing, because, especially for our young ones and especially the inland port opening, so that's really great for all our tribe and, to get involved with it,
Another big push that we've got in our team is to get more of our whānau into the trades, and that's trades across the board. So that's building and construction, electrical. One big thing that we've found is in the energy sector, and the shortage is actually across the board, not just Māori, but we actually have a program called Te Waharoa, and that's our Gateway to the Trades program, where we're trying to get more of our iwi members into the trades. I think the Hui Atau is one really good place to promote these roles and opportunities, but I don't think it's the only place. We do a really good, we do a job of sending these opportunities out to our marae, but not all of our whānau are connected to their marae, so we need to look for other ways that we can connect these opportunities with our iwi members. And we're open to everything, anything and everything to get these opportunities out, because there's a lot.